A logo for your company is often the first thing that people see when they first stumble upon your brand. They see it at the top of your website, they see it on your business cards, on your truck. Your logo is the foundation for your brand. So you want to make sure that's right. Here's what you get when you jump into our logo design process. You get iterations of logo ideas up front, and once you've settled on a general direction you want the logo to head, you get 3 revisions of your logo. We get to work, we do a first iteration. We hand it over to you to get feedback, and then we can work on it a couple more times with your feedback in between to make sure that you get a product and a logo that really represents your brand. We can also do more revisions. We have a small charge because we want to really help you focus and get it dialed in, but we will obviously iterate until you're super happy with your logo. Now, what do you get at the end of the process? You get every single logo file type that you can imagine. You get the root files, the original files that we design on. You can take those, you can take them to your graphic designer for your website. You own all the file types. It's your logo, you have purchased it. So if you're interested in a logo, reach out. We'd love to see if we're a good fit for you and produce a masterful piece of branding for your business to help you take your business to the next level. If you're just starting out or if you've been in business for a while, we can help.